Hey engineers, are you looking for a lightweight, powerful, and long lasting laptop that can handle all your work from coding and designing presentations, online classes, or your research or making projects? In this video, I will show you the top 5 ultra portable laptops for engineering students. These laptops are super easy to carry and have great battery life and enough power to run your engineering software. So, let's go through the video and see which are those 5 laptops. And for all the laptops, I have provided the link in the description and also tagged in this video. And if you have any queries related to buying any new laptop, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply you there. HP OmniBook Ultra, powered by Ryzen AI 9HX processor. Comes with a screen size of 14 inches and weighs 1.35 kg and comes with a thickness of 14.9 mm. Buy this amazing laptop for its powerful AMD chip, good display, long battery life, and fast port option. The HP OmniBook Ultra is a smart choice for students who want power and portability. It runs on AMD Ryzen AI 9 chip, which is very powerful, which handles multitasking really well. Whether you are working on CAD designs, Python code, or large presentations, this laptop performs smoothly. Its 14-inch display is sharp and colorful, and the laptop feels very premium with a strong build quality. At just 1.35 kg, it's light enough to carry in your bag all day. You also get about 12 to 13 hours of battery life, so you can work without worrying about charging. Another big plus is the Thunderbolt 4 port, even though it's rare on AMD laptops. This helps you connect high-speed storage or extra display easily. Links are provided in the description. Lenovo ThinkPad T14's Generation 6, powered by Snapdragon X Lite processor, comes with a 14-inch size and weighs 1.25 kg and 16.9 mm in thickness. Buy this amazing laptop for its superb battery life, stunning OLED screen, very durable and lightweight design, and excellent keyboard. The ThinkPad is built like a tank but feels light like a feather. With a Snapdragon X Elite processor, it offers lightning fast performance and crazy long battery life of up to 21 hours. That's more than enough for a full day of college and a night of Netflix. Its 14-inch OLED screen is beautiful. Whether you are reading notes, working on design, or watching a movie, everything looks sharp and colorful. The keyboard is excellent, soft, clicky, and made for long typing sessions. At 1.25 kg, it's super light. It also meets military-grade durability tests, so don't worry if it takes a few bumps in your back. It's great for both classroom and travel. Just one thing to remember, since this is a Windows on-ARM laptop, some older software might not work perfectly. Lenovo Yoga 9i comes with a 14-inch screen size, 1.4 kg in weight, and 15.3 mm in thickness. Buy this amazing laptop for its beautiful OLED touchscreen, tablet and laptop mode, that is, it's a 2-in-1 laptop, fast and smooth performance, includes stylus and great speakers. The Lenovo Yoga 9i is not just a laptop, it's also a tablet. This 2-in-1 device comes with a stunning OLED touchscreen that makes everything from diagrams to Netflix look amazing. You can use it in a laptop mode for typing or flip it into tablet mode to draw or to write with a pen. It is powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra processor, which handles heavy tasks like coding, circuit simulation, and video editing without a lag. The battery lasts around 12 to 13 hours, which is great for full day of college and more. The design is sleek and shiny with a comfortable keyboard and a special rotating soundbar for great audio. It even comes with a stylus built in, which is perfect for note taking or sketching ideas during class. Dell XPS 13 powered by Snapdragon X Elite comes with a screen size of 13.4 inches, 1.17 kg in weight and 14.8 mm in thickness. Buy this amazing laptop for its excellent battery life, superb lightweight and portable design, very fast with a Snapdragon X Elite and a beautiful display. The Dell XPS 13 is a perfect mix of power and portability. With the latest Snapdragon X Elite chip, this tiny laptop offers incredible speed for coding, simulations, 3D modeling, and more. And the battery life is amazing. Lasts up to 18 to 19 hours, that's nearly 2 full days of college work on a single charge. Its design is ultra premium. The keyboard is smooth, the trackpad is large, and 13.4-inch display is super clear. You can even choose a 3K OLED version for rich visuals, perfect for design students. At just 1.17 kg, this is one of the lightest laptops on the list. It's great for students, always on the move, plus with a Wi-Fi 7 and 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, it's super fast in every way. Apple MacBook Air M4 comes with a screen size of 13.6 inches, weighs around 1.24 kg, and comes with a very slim profile, 11.5 mm in thickness. Buy this amazing laptop for its best battery life and very fast performance, silent and ultra thin, bright and colorful screen, reliable and long lasting. MacBook Air M4 or M3 is the king of ultra-portable laptops for students. It's super thin, silent, and gives you around 16 to 18 hours of battery life. So whether you pick the 13-inch model or the larger 15-inch model, it's perfect for everything: coding, video editing, running simulation, or just writing reports. Apple's M4 chip is super powerful and runs super cool. The display is sharp and bright, and the speakers are some of the best you will find on a laptop. The keyboard feels amazing to type on, and the trackpad is large and smooth. It's also very quiet since there are no fans at all. And even though it's super slim, it's tough and reliable. So which one is your favorite? If you want all the battery life, go for MacBook Air. These are the amazing laptops. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.